She was wearing a burqa with her face uncovered, but was told by a Taliban fighter who was carrying a truncheon to cover her face. Her translator told her the fighter didn't want to talk with her.
These Taliban fighters are a little upset with us, so let's keep going.
We decide to leave and head for our car.
Well, today, AI is all around me. Every major app I use on the internet uses AI to show me the things I want to buy or eat or places I want to travel. I think the internet apps know me better than I know myself.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.